everyone, welcome back to AI Tools for Everyone. Today I'm going to walk you through Invideo AI, one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly text-to-video generators available online. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone who wants to make professional videos fast, this tool is going to blow your mind. So let's dive right in. What is Invideo AI? Invideo is an all-in-one online video creation platform that uses AI to turn your ideas into videos in just minutes. Here's what it offers. Invideo Studio with ready-made templates for different video types, YouTube, business, presentations, etc. AI text to video, just type a prompt or script and Invideo turns it into a full video 8M plus stock assets from iStock, Storyblocks and Shutterstock drag and drop editor, trim, cut, resize and customize your video with ease, voiceovers, transitions, music and more, all included. Now let's create a video from scratch using these features. Step 1. Go to www.invideo.io and sign up or log in. Once inside, choose AI text to video. You'll see several templates. Pick one that fits your goal. We'll go with a 16:9 landscape format for a YouTube video. Now it's time to add your scripts. You can either type your script manually or ask the AI to generate one for you. Make sure to clean up the text, keep it concise, and add your title as the intro line. Then click Create Scenes, customizing your video. Now we're inside the storyboard. On the left, Script Editor Upload Tool, Video Image Library Music options. On the right, you'll see a preview of each scene with controls to edit, delete, or preview. Invideo automatically matches your script to relevant clips, but you can manually adjust them. For example, want to change a scene? Use the video or image tool, search for artificial intelligence, then drag in a better clip. Repeat this for any scene you want to customize. Music, voiceover, and transitions. Let's add background music. Go to the music tool, pick a mood, preview some tracks, and click the plus icon to add one. Now let's try Invideo's simplest feature, creating a YouTube video using a full prompt. Step 1. Go back to the home page and launch the AI video generator. Write a detailed prompt like this. Then it builds the video. Let's preview the results.
All right, picture this. You're standing at the edge of a vast, unexplored territory. It's full of potential, brimming with possibilities, but also a little daunting, right? That's where learning comes in. Learning is a bit like gardening. It requires nurturing, attention, and a whole lot of patience. You can't just throw seeds on the ground without any preparation or care, and hope for a jungle by the end of the week. That's not how growth works, whether it's in a garden or in your mind. It takes time, patience, and a bit of trial and error. You'll make mistakes, things won't always go as planned, but that's all part of the process. That's exactly what teaching is all about. Helping you, the learner, grow in your own way and at your own pace. It's about fostering an environment where you can explore, experiment, and ultimately, flourish. Now, a lot of people think teaching is just about dumping information on someone, like pouring water into an empty glass. Just fill it up and move on. But honestly, it's way more interesting than that. It's a dynamic, interactive process. Imagine you're building a Lego set. You wouldn't just get a pile of pieces and a finished photo. You'd want the steps, the stories, maybe even a few tips on which pieces to snap together first. A little guidance can go a long way. That's what a good teacher does. They guide you, step by step, using examples and analogies to help everything click, to make those connections that suddenly illuminate the whole picture. I've been on both sides, learning and teaching, and what I've found is, the best teachers don't just hand you answers. That's not really teaching, that's just giving. They ask you questions, challenge your thinking, and help you connect the dots yourself. Because the real learning happens when you figure things out on your own. It's like giving you a map instead of just pointing you in a direction. You still have to navigate, explore, and discover the path for yourself. Let's use another analogy. Think of learning to ride a bike. If someone just explains the physics of balance, you'll get lost in the jargon. It'll be abstract and meaningless. But if they hold the seat, run alongside you, let go at the right moment, and let you wobble and fall a couple of times, you get the hang of it way faster. Because you're learning by doing, by experiencing, by figuring it out for yourself. Sometimes teaching is about knowing when to guide and when to get out of the way, knowing when to provide support and when to allow for independent exploration. And hey, as an adult learner, you bring your own garden, your experience, your skills, your interests. You're not a blank slate, you're a rich tapestry of knowledge and perspectives. The role of a teacher is to help you make sense of all these pieces, prune a few things, plant a few new ideas, and help you build something awesome. Something that reflects your unique potential and capabilities. So next time you find yourself learning something new or explaining something to someone else, remember, it's not about cramming facts. It's not about rote memorization or regurgitating information. It's about making connections, using analogies, and letting curiosity lead the way. Embrace the unknown, ask questions, and explore the possibilities. Teaching isn't just a job, it's a partnership. A collaborative journey of discovery and growth, and every moment spent learning or teaching is one step closer to growing your own little forest of knowledge, a testament to your dedication, curiosity, and willingness to learn. Thanks for hanging out with me. Now go water those seeds. Nurture your mind, cultivate your curiosity, and watch your knowledge grow.
The scene's voiceover timing is all synced beautifully. Invideo handles it instantly, and there you have it. A powerful, flexible way to create stunning videos with almost zero editing skills. You get 4 free videos per week on the free plan with watermark. Want watermark free? Consider upgrading. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to AI Tools for Everyone for more AI-powered content creation tips. Try Invideo AI for free using the link in the description. Thanks for watching and happy creating.